The blue button. Jack is a normal man with a normal life. He wakes up at 7 a.m., drinks coffee, and goes to work. But today is different. When Jack looks in the mirror, he sees a small blue number above his head. The number says Level 1. Jack rubs his eyes, but the number stays there. He walks to the kitchen, and a small box appears in the air. The box says, "Drink coffee, plus 10 energy." Jack is not a normal man anymore. He is a character in a game. Jack goes outside. He sees his neighbor, Mr. Smith. Above Mr. Smith's head, there is a red number. It says, Level 50. Mr. Smith is watering his garden, but he moves like a robot. Suddenly, Jack sees a giant menu in the sky. The menu has 3 options: work, sleep, or adventure. Jack is afraid to go to work. He reaches out his hand and touches the word adventure. The street disappears and the world changes colors. Jack is now in a large building with thousands of computer screens. Every screen shows a different human life. Jack sees his own apartment on one screen. He sees himself drinking coffee. A small cat in a business suit sits in front of the screen. The cat is playing the game. The cat is playing Jack's life. Jack realizes the truth. Humans are not real. Humans are just a video game for cats. Next to the computer, Jack sees a big blue button. The button says, Restart. Jack does not want to restart. He wants to be free. He finds a keyboard and types a secret code. Level 99. Suddenly, the building vanishes. Jack is back in his kitchen. There are no numbers above his head. He looks at his coffee and snaps his fingers. Coffee turns into a glass of expensive champagne. Jack is not a character anymore. He is the master of the game.